Moving into Lecture 4.4, we delve into the art and science of persuasive writing and communication within the proposal. A proposal is not merely an informational document, it is a critical sales tool designed to convince the client of your superior value. Beyond information, the art of persuasion. It is essential to recognize that a proposal transcends the mere delivery of technical information. It is fundamentally a sales document. Your overarching goal is to persuade the client that your organization represents the optimal choice for their needs. This involves a deliberate shift from simply describing features to articulately highlighting the tangible benefits and positive outcomes your solution will provide. Audience-centric writing, speak their language. Effective persuasive writing demands an audience-centric approach. Consider the specific background and perspective of the evaluator. Are they technical, financial, or executive? Tailor your language and the level of detail to resonate with their specific needs and priorities. Directly address their pain points and utilize the client's terminology where appropriate to demonstrate a deep understanding of their context. Focus on benefits, not just features. This principle is paramount. Always emphasize benefits over mere features. A feature might be stated as, "Our software has a real-time data dashboard." While factual, it doesn't immediately convey value. Transform this into a benefit by explaining its impact. The real-time data dashboard provides immediate insights, enabling quicker, data-driven decisions that can reduce your operational costs by 15%. Always answer the client's implicit question, "What does this mean for us?" Incorporating win themes and key messages. Your predetermined win themes and key messages must be seamlessly integrated throughout the entire proposal. These are not confined to a single section. For instance, if cost efficiency is a win theme, strategically reinforce this concept in every relevant section, from the executive summary to the solution description and pricing. Utilize consistent key messages, such as "Our solution delivers unparalleled ROI," to create a cohesive and persuasive narrative. Clarity, conciseness, and precision. 3 fundamental tenets underpin effective proposal writing. Clarity. Ensure your message is effortlessly understood. Avoid jargon unless absolutely necessary and clearly defined. Conciseness. Be direct and to the point. Eliminate superfluous words or phrases, respecting the evaluator's time. Precision. Employ exact language. Ambiguity, particularly in technical or financial sections, can lead to misinterpretation and misjudgment. Tone and style. The overall tone and style of your proposal should be professional, confident, and collaborative. Convey an optimistic and forward-looking perspective, focusing on solutions and positive outcomes. Conversely, avoid aggressive, overly boastful, or defensive language. Maintaining a consistent tone throughout the entire document contributes to a cohesive and trustworthy impression. Proof points and evidence. Credibility in a proposal is built upon substantiated claims. Do not merely assert your capabilities, substantiate them with concrete proof points. Utilize verifiable data, relevant statistics, measurable results, compelling case studies, and, where permissible, client testimonials. The principle is show, don't just tell, provide the evidence that supports your assertions. Calls to action. Implicit and explicit. While formal proposals typically do not include explicit calls to action like "call us now," your writing should implicitly guide the evaluator toward your desired outcome. Every section should progressively build conviction, compelling them to recognize your organization's superior capability and suitability. The collective impact of the proposal should logically lead to the ultimate action, the selection of your organization as the preferred partner. Key takeaways. In conclusion, persuasive writing transforms raw information into compelling conviction. The core focus must always be on articulating the client's benefits and resonating with their specific needs. Ultimately, clarity, conciseness, and robust evidence are your most powerful instruments in crafting a winning message.